dear friends, welcome back to my channel. My channel name is Study with Me. I am Ayush Yogesh More. Today we are going to see the trigonometric lecture number 5. In this lecture we are going to study radian to degree conversion sums. Last time we have seen degree to radians conversion sums, but now in this lecture we will be studying radian to degree conversion sums. So let's begin. So converting the following radian measures into degree. So the first sum is 0 radian. Now before we have seen we are multiplying pi by 180 for conversion of degree to radian. Now for radian to into degree conversion we are going to multiply it by 180 degree divided by pi radian. This is the conversion factor. So 0 radian will be equal to 0 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So 0 multiplied by anything will give us 0 outcome. So 0 radian is equal to 0 degree. Turning to the next slide. Our second sum is negative 0 radian. That will be same as 0 radian, as 0 multiplied by anything will give us 0. So 0 radian will be equal to 0 degree. Now turning to the next sum, our third sum. Our third sum is pi by 6 radian. Now we are going to multiply it by 180 degree divided by pi radian. That is the conversion factor. Pi by 6 radian will be equal to pi by 6 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. Now pi radian and pi radian will be get cancelled here, and 180 degrees divided by 6 will be remaining here. So pi by 6 radian will be equal to 30 degrees. Now turning to the next slide. Now our fourth sum is negative of pi by 6 radian. Now multiplying by 180 degree divided by pi radian, that is the conversion factor. So negative of pi by 6 radian will be equal to negative of pi by 6 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So here pi radian will get cancelled, and 6 ones are and 6 thirties are 180. So we'll be getting negative of pi by 6 radian will be equal to negative of 30 degrees. Now turning to the next slide, our fifth sum is pi by 4 radian. Multiplying by 180 degree divided by pi radian, the conversion factor. So pi by 4 radian will be equal to pi by 4 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. Now here also the pi radian and pi radian will get cancelled, and 4 ones are and 4 45s are 180 degrees. So we'll be getting pi by 4 radian is equal to 45 degrees. Now we are going to next slide. So our sixth sum is negative of pi by 4 radian. Now the multiplying by 180 degrees divided by pi radian, that is the conversion factor. So negative of pi by 4 radian will give us a negative of pi by 4 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. Here also the pi radian will get cancelled. Now 180 degrees will get divided by 4. So we'll be getting negative of 45 degrees. So our final answer is pi by 4 radian, that will be equal to negative 45 degrees. So turning to the next slide. On this next slide, the seventh sum is pi by 3 radian. Now pi by 3 radian will be equal to pi by 3 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. This pi radian will get cancelled out, and we'll be getting pi by 3 radian is equal to 60 degrees. We are going through the standard sums such as 60, 90, 45, 30, 270, 180, 360. You can also calculate it for other fundamental sums such as pi by 10 radian, 2 pi by 3 radian, and other. The conversion factor will be same as this mentioned here, 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So our eighth sum is negative of pi by 3 radian. Same as we have seen before, multiplying by 180 degrees divided by pi radian. Negative of pi by 3 radian will give us negative of pi by 3 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So negative of pi by 3 radian will be giving us negative of 60 degrees. This C mention here is the symbol of radian, and this O mention is the symbol of degree. So now turning to the next slide. Our ninth sum is pi by 2 radian. Multiplying factor will be same, 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So pi by 2 radian will be equal to pi by 2 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi. So pi by 2 radian will give us 90 degrees, as here the pi radian and pi radian gets cancelled out. Now turning to the 10th sum, negative of pi by 2 radian. Multiplying factor will be same, 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So we'll be getting negative of pi by 2 radian, that will be equal to negative of pi by 2 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. This pi radian and pi radian will get cancelled out, and we'll be getting finally negative of pi radian pi by 2 radian, that will be equal to negative of 90 degrees. Now turning to our 11th sum, pi radian. This will be multiplying by 180 degrees divided by pi radian. Here pi radian is equal to 180 degrees, and hence we can convert it in degrees and radian. So pi radian will be equal to pi radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. Here simply the pi and pi radian will get cancelled out, and we'll be getting pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. Now turning to the next slide. Our 12th sum is pi radian. Negative of pi radian actually. Wait a second. Here it is a negative pi radian. For negative pi radian, multiplying factor will be 180 divided by pi. So negative of pi radian will give us negative of pi radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So negative of pi radian will be equal to negative of 180 degrees. Now turning to the next slide. 13th sum is 3 pi by 2 radian. So multiplying it by 180 degrees divided by pi radian, that is the conversion factor as before mentioned. 3 pi by 2 radian will be equal to 3 pi by 2 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. This pi radian and pi radian will get cancelled, and 180 degrees divided by 2, that is 90 degrees, and 93 will give us 270 degrees. So 3 pi by 2 radian will give us 270 degrees. So turning to the next slide. 14th sum is negative of 3 pi by 2 radian. Multiplying it by 180 degrees divided by pi, that is pi radian, that is the conversion factor. So we'll be getting negative of 3 pi by 2 radian, that will be equal to negative of 3 pi by 2 radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So negative of 3 pi by 2 radian will be equal to negative of 270 degrees. Now our 15th sum is 2 pi radian, that is 360 degrees actually. As pi radian is 180, so 2 pi radian will be 360. So multiplying by 180 degrees divided by pi radian, so conversion factor that is the conversion factor. So 2 pi radian, that will be equal to 2 pi radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So this pi radian and pi radian will get cancelled, and 2 into 180 degrees, that is 360 degrees. So 2 pi radian will be equal to 360 degrees. So turning to the next slide. The 16th sum is negative of 2 pi radian, that is negative of 2 pi radian. So multiplying it by our conversion factor 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So we'll be getting negative of 2 pi radian, that is equal to negative of 2 pi radian into 180 degrees divided by pi radian. So this pi radian and pi radian will get cancelled out. So we'll be getting negative of 2 pi radian, that will be equal to negative of 360 degrees. Turning to the next slide. Thanks guys for watching this video, and please share this channel and share the videos link And thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe. You will be getting the lectures PDF link in the description down. Thank you. Please share the video link and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.